So in this setup you are verifying the first experiment of second one, that is implementation of Boolean expression using SOP, using implementation of Boolean expression using basic gate and universal gate. So in this case I am taken the implementation of Boolean expression. The function f of a, b, c, d equals summation 7, 13, 14, 15. So this expression has to be implemented. So let us write the truth table for this function. It is a SOP. So there is a 4 variable. There are 16 possible combinations starting from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. For that, output is true only for the midterm 7, 13, 14, 15. That means output is false for the remaining inputs. So for 0, 0, 0 combination, output is 0. 0, 0, 0, 1 combination, output is 0. So similarly for 0, 1, 1, 1, 7 output is true. Okay. So this is a function table for the given expressions have to be verified. So in order to implement this circuit, so you have to design. So this implementation can be designed by using a K-map. The function so has to be written in the form of K-map, 2 rows and 2 columns, and simplified by grouping the adjacent number of ones. So after simplify this expression, it is reduced to f is equal to a, b, d plus b, c, d plus a, b, c. So this is a function you are getting simplified. So this can be implemented by using 2 ways. One is by using basic gate, other one by using NAND gate. NAND gate. So in this case I am implementing by using the basic gates. So IC requirement in this for basic gate is 7408 and 7432. Only 2 ICs required, 7408 2 numbers. So IC 1, 2, 3, 4 1 IC. IC 5, 6 corresponds to second 7408 and pin number 1 and 2 for the 7432. Okay, so it is simple basic circuit, 4 input variable, and so this is a rig up. This is a circuit rig up already. So in this case I am using A, B, C, D. There are 4 input and only 1 output. Okay. So these are toggle switches. If the switch is in the off condition, that is a logic 0 input. If it is 1, it is the logic 1 conditions, only 1 output. So let us switch on the power supply, and in the first circuit I am using 7408, is also 7408 and 7432 is the last. Okay. So while placing the orientation, be careful, the notch should come towards the VCC. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D, 4 inputs. So let us check A0, B0, C0, D0. So before that I have to make sure that power supply is on. When A0, B0, C0, D0, output is 0. If it is 0, 0, 0, 1, output is 0. 0, 0, 1, 0, output is 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, 3, output is 0. Then 0, 1, 0, 0, 4, output is 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, 5, output is 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 6, output is 0. 0, 1, 1, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 0, 0, 8, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 9, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 10, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 11, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 12, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 13, 1, 14, 1, 15, 1. Okay, so your output should be logic I for only a min term 7, 13, 14 and 50. The remaining combinations output should go low. If any one of the remaining combinations output goes high, that indicates there is some problem with the circuit, have to be troubleshoot. Okay, so if everything is clear, then you can get the output is true only for the min term SOP expression. So in our example I am taken only 7, 13, 14, 15. So rest of the min term combination your output supposed to go low. So this implementations with respect to using basic gates, implementation of SOP for the using basic gates. In this setup, the same implementation, the function f of a, b, c, d equals summation 7, 13, 14, 15. The same implementation can be done by using universal gate called NAND gate. Okay, the same circuit can be realized by using NAND gate operations. Okay, so in the previous case I am getting the expression, the function f of a, b, c, d equals summation a, b, d plus b, c, d plus a, b, c. The same expressions can be verified by using NAND gate. For that you have to do a simplifications, take a complement on both the side, then apply De Morgan theorems. So then you can get the each term in terms of NAND operations. Okay, so this is a circuit diagram for implementation of SOP.